enko soro kakra. Ye time no ko se say yemmere no sesa. Osofo me niema abeye bebiri. Enti mo matam no ko se ya ebekwanti ya mo. Me ba cho sa wote menka.
Patron me to nka pa.
Aha, se say emu ye. Kasa kakra na agbo otigum de amente ne awoka.
Patron, wote menka.
Na usa no now ye bad power hu. Because as a gay bia on any boyfriend in common no fairy girl no person be kasa no oboni tigum. No oboni tigum.
No, you're a very good girl.
Like amati we ready, am I ready? Hi.
Patron,
Station.
Like you need patron are ready, am I na?
Patron.
Enti enko.
Patron.
Yo. Atiefo me da se ma me kwan asa watwen me asa ma me abeto. Kai ho ne se me bie telephone line no tuma. Lines are yedidi dwuma no 0208 1334646 0208 133 4646 and answer 0208 133 1134. Me a me di chia me yefrɛ me Prophet Stanley Osibri osei matena akonwa kɛseɛ so ɛwɔ Rainbow Radio International. Ko ye Facebook ho ko share ko like na give o comment anopa yi mabɔ awura 4th floor of Anna House na mene lawyer EUNICE ebetwetwe nkomo legal education hour. Lawyer EUNICE mame sanchia obiem na wunsuo no nko na odi asi table so me de wa mame bi nda asemu aba e ba cho menye fasting enti ensuo no oba na de mienu aba sane be yi bitimi twa no 1 anopa yi chiatiefo mame ne nko
Patrio prophet Michel so we hope we say that who ye ne example na any authority for so in regards to
who ye papa
ye da yam yase in regards to your viewers and sister mo hwen any conform mo tie our Rainbow Radio International so ye mamuni na very good morning we hope we say mamuni na yam who ye as much as we know, the year has brought us to a very successful beginning because, of course, now last year, coronavirus nonsense, but we thank God.
But ompeja volume no kakra mami.
Oh,
on your watching video ompeja. Aha, ompeja volume no kakra na voice no munye bi.
Pacho says, what is this?
Ai, yenko.
Okay, now make us say, I adoma this year at least we have finished successfully in terms of the fact that your vaccines are able to me in terms of your coronavirus restrictions are almost and we are hoping and praying that by the end of the year, we are our vaccine because we are but we also are grateful for the laws that have come into place in regards to coronavirus at the home. As much as possible, almost way to me uncle Chrome because of the fact that if you are and I said for one reason or the other, there were restrictions in your country. If you wait to me and come back because of all those restrictions, and obviously these are now the and the extension with assurance team, almost the these are known from now up to the 30th of September now, then you can make an assurance email to CIS assurance team. Say I can email now. When to me uncle Chrome into application for an extension of university visa now and also in terms of from basic visa extension you can also make an application to remain in the UK, whereas before, no, and to start. So, or that extension now, so either student application and I say work permit application and how to say would be say need to so and I say or back at the home and now person application to join them there, and of course over to me IS application, no, while within the time from now up to 30th September. Also another update in terms of the family permit application. I know that the February citizens will go have only by extended family application before the March 2020. And of course, the family area appeal in the always review application and appeal also we are successful because that extended family members and currently we're extended family members and how into you are now making
EUNICE Okasano article. Lawyer EUNICE Okasano article. Lawyer EUNICE Okasano article.
Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders.
Wabalai.
Fashai.
Okay, me pacho mum krisi mo volume no mama nyesa e affecti radio no. Yen sheda nti monka on the radio. Me ti wonka wo studio ba se mo volume aha me volume no wo full on your side enti misrawo. Mo krisi mo volume no kakra mama. Na yen to aso.
Pacho yo. Pacho say what say?
I meti ba se mo krisi ni kakra mama ya ebeye.
Oh, okay. Pacho yo.
And a young to us free baby, I will see you.
Pacho yo.
Baby, I did throttle on Gina and to us free her.
Okay. Now me ka afa kofa omoye EUNICE na for me to come on my applications ama omo business for expanded family members. Enti ebia omo di kan your application no before 31st December 2020 apa hono. Ebia omo refuse application no into omo ya appeal no I successful. And because appeal now is successful, Nancy, almost train and my home office for no issue that almost extended family members with EEA family permit. And so now make I say, of course, you know, say EEA family permit no home office forecast said from the 30th of June 2021 no, it will no longer be valid. And so, for 30th of June deadline now, upon Nancy. Almost started to almost issue letters and answer emails to inquire so almost cancer family permit no more debate from her. Say because deadline na upon Wednesday, almost to me emphasize family permit no emma because almost to me room almost the mom crown puna almost to me room. Now of course share the way you to me and looking forward in terms of them implementing the decisions now courts no are making. And you share on one own policy guidance ever allowed appeals and I say appeals now courts for no are making decisions say on farmer nimpakono. On one policy no say if there is no ongoing appeal, and I say, any appeal in terms of that decision now court me make here, and they have to implement and answer so almost in Kratano, Manipana, so Mudemano. The OSHA other case laws now about even before policy campaign one making now. Those case laws such as Buafo, Eka said, Mosha, said the answer it is their legal duty say the court Eka with the answer the court make a decision regarding an appeal some dispute and answer some make sure say San Cartana court say money panel, the money panel. It is say a ban say court make a decision. Now after more say to me implemented decision no because the more implemented decision no crown puna nimpa chrono and me and found remove. Of course, one can own policy guidance can say some making sure say move implement and some move they say muye. But when to me I'm farm policy and juma when to me I'm far court decision also and juma. It's of course they are wrong in their decision. Say, more air catcher and propose to me emphasize family parents no, mom. At least say, oh lawyer, at least lawyer no bet me. I drop up, I trauma say decision now. Air can say to me implement the decision no, wrong. Wrong there. At least pre-action protocol letter no, call honor. And with pre-action protocols, we says that we have pre-action protocol. It means that only home office for no country manso. And then I have a judicial review. Into judicial review, no, HSA, the home office for no, which is a government body, and make a wrong decision. And I said decision normal making no is incompatible with some of these human rights there. And say. Yet government body no a court meaning. And say lawyer na browse decision and after browse response via email say to me and implement that decision na court na make it and it's better say lawyer now lawyer no so actual path within the set period of time say into me any response. I'm our lawyer there, then of course it means that you will have to go on and then do judicial review. Of course, judicial review no more end up from because all time after court bill. I'm a court name who say decision now home office for no year, and yeah, right. And I know say for a lot of them may be in this predicament because home office on one has something say they are more cano and passing, but they still want to stand by what they are saying because of the fact that on my editing I say 30th June deadline no the went to me room with EA family permit there and there mahu kwine cry but and sister at least the mahu EA family permit no most want to me room crown puna at least who are right say over to me I hear application under the EU settlement scheme and the EU settlement scheme no honor at least who offer EA family permit, which under EU settlement scheme no, or share definitions are any biometric card for residence card and answer any EA family permit which has been endorsed in your passport no, the almost it is a relevant document. It is a relevant document. Now we can say an application under the EU settlement scheme there and also a client at the whole amount say me I get that application now issue with EU settlement scheme family permit instead of the EA family permit now almost under the old EU regulation 2016. And see they are almost and also but say issue with that EA family permit now. So me I fresh application also so. I'm hoping and I'm thinking that they will sit down and then come up with some sort of solution because there are so many people who are in this predicament. And since at least almost me who say, oh, did you say and no my yes EA family permit. did was say and a court no so happiness to say omo sa family permit no nti say yehun bibi either say omo beka say okay yate dia mo ka no nti ye bema mo sa kwan se mo be sa EUSS application say the family permit no ma na obetumi aye EUSS family permit application dia and dia ye de bema say so sa dia then it means that you have to go through the process of judicial review where I think that so many people are just looking to see say Dudwana betumi akase because their home office no cannot any papa ninti yet the home office for no ever court na at least they betumi enya some reasonable solution to that problem where then it makes sense that they will come back with the reasonable solutions rather than going to court because court na judge may say their home office no cannot any right there and it means that as much as possible no they will also have to bear the cost and I don't think that they will want to bear such costs into as much as possible. I'm thinking that they will also sit down and come up with some solutions the way forward in terms of that family permits no more kata issue at least issue na unya sa documents na obetumi ayesa EUSS family permit application omobema osa 6 months na odi we are looking to see how they will come up with a solution but if you are currently in this situation na oma bro sa email say omutumi emfa family permit emma odia pacho bebre ko hu lawyer na omundi hu adwuma emma because I know say a lot of people were under this, should I say, family permit route, where more application, refuse, lodge appeal also has been allowed, but they are stuck because home office want to say and farmer. But we are hoping that definitely no. Betumi make a decision to issue na incorporate a fresh application under the EU settlement scheme. And now say one more aunt now say and the two say judicial review no amount for Ghana to me and the about media so and answer the back serious one as much as possible no they would see say it is affecting a lot of people and therefore some year who busy. But I'm hoping that they will come round to issuing it such that under the EU settlement scheme also able to me application under the EU settlement scheme. Into profit, I know that for time but this is just a bit of an update in terms of EA family permit. So EUSS family permit that's over into the ni now person ko for we say ni so we yere anasa oba anasa mami anasa papa and the kwan e wo ho e ma wo so wetini ayesa applications no
EUNICE me pa cho EUSS application no say menim say court adie to mu say I was say home office for it me ho adwuma e ma ye e na omo sen omo nyi enti court ntimi mfa mra entichiro na home office for no yenko chiro mo for mo to prison
it's now make us say EUSS applications no there bibia ni ho say almost mean farmer into EUSS no is under the EU settlement scheme but we share your old Imbrano which is your EEA regulation 2016 then you see say over your application for family permit usually they will issue you with EA family permit. And to say, why application no, na court no, I say, because home office refuse to no, their home office into home office for no, EA family permit no amount. Almost say EA family permit no, almost the mawa. Over to me, application under the EU settlement scheme. And no na omon person obey no into normal person obey issues EA family permit no into say when you say decision from the court say Home Office, on one casano, on policy guidance, any other case laws, they say the court are making decision. Now 1 year further appeal. And there so who say what should they say as a implemented decision no. Into say one implemented decision no dear. Then it means that you want there to be further action from the court. And also now I think that they will not want to go that far because it involves a lot of money as well. But I think in regards to the EA family payments, now court, now I say, farm mano, they will have to definitely grant it because of the fact that they are also bound by that legal duty. And I say, so yes, because I am say the court's decision now say this one, then of course because of the fact that on 1 year further appeal, and I said there was no evidence that they relied on to say that nipa kono air cano abia obwa, and I say and young part they are all cano. So bibi any hosa no na of course what ya to say court no decision na make no e correct there. And they say we make it that implementation, but almost try say almost make people frustrated because almost say don't wanna make it applications no, and I agree so that's what court, and there will be more court hearings into of course no, and you'll be a company any decision, and there will be more decisions to come in the next few months. Into they have to sit down as almost say now almost share the way forward because the court not allow a decision which of course you know say 30th of June deadline no upon and for say EA family permits end up and juma EUSS you say even after 30th of June no that's juma EA family permits no almost say end juma.
Dabi lawyer line article voice no article line article menje ni say your microphone no e be ye connection no menje ni say your microphone no be ye connection no anapai lawyer eni twa nsem no duman no nka me wasem ba kum yenu bibisa no na afi ye di apiapia so afri ho edi akọ babi a Awurade pese odi e eko na nkameye abisa lawyer se na emra home office ama emra emra court ama emra home office afa emra no aso mu nsem no no omo ye ne omo pe no se omo delay enti ayi article biere ni ho a ye betumi de akotakre on here dey article 446 article 558 and then here dey approved to you na e kire say home office for ahunu say ampa court ye ni abere papa ye ma mbere a wuntimi mu so
pacho
we dey twene ni na la ya wa baba
pacho
aha na me ka say me hwesane a home office for asheda airboard deleted na adie yebeye yenye na omo frustrating the pay na court nso na ashekiti say adie momfa mo na apiye nko yenim article biere ni ho article 446 article 442 page 78 na ye dia akone ye dia abana abofom pam mo delay ye nti ye de mo kotwem
it's I don't know make I say of course own policy guidance o share home office for na omo kata own guidance omo share na omo tini and make decisions. It's also own policy guidance in terms of allowed appeals, and I said them implementing allowed appeals now. This is their recent guidance. Last year we are now omo time renew year. Into the omo guidance man can say the court make a decision now. So this one. Then of course that means that they are going, in the wrong direction from their own policy. Also other case laws also to say Buafu and natural manga, where Omaka said, for instance, home office for no any say any appeals or they haven't put forward say they want to should I say lodge permission to appeal because did say decision now court making wrong that. And they have to know say almost they say their court no I can't offer appellants and I said decision now court no I'm making they have to go by it and I said they have to implement it. And see I think that they know that they are wrong, but I will try some make frustrating for. And so if they go down that path where, for instance, almost any history na in for and they court judicial review say and a home office aircar and dealing say and trust because almost for further appeal amber and that's only evidence to show say decision na court making it was wrong because ABI and Ifakono na or transfer and I send the documents now or the buy na a fake and I said the visa. The only can after the appeal has been allowed there, then of course there is some more implemented decision. And if it goes further up to judicial review, because of course they have their own policy guidance and there's previous case laws to show say the court and decision and someone implemented. Someone implemented there and it will go against them. So the judicial review na court no ampede so and as a court na anka say we do more. Then of course when you say we and you don't want to go down the expensive route. It's I'm very sure that they will sit down and come up with some sort of way forward. I know parents say omunya don't want can say their decision now making it wrong there. They will do something about it. And cement na say and can say to me and your history. Say almost decide email abroad and I say almost decide decision no abroad there. Pachoku who lawyer men can say your history because your doors one
lawyer me bacho lawyer Eunice o me huye and ask you go lawyer
say a lawyer for there say me can say your time will be but say nipa kono nim ejuma na all year na otumi ye na year then of course when to think say and dey be hu me nko because eye me nko na me ye ejuma no nti say unim lawyer all year and dey ko hu lawyer obetumi abaye ho so of course
there be any lawyer training and opay me pesa what yes say ye ni BWF solicitors and aiding komo lawyer Eunice say ko hu lawyer ba me so me dey make say brabi kunu ye an obofo eni ene na mudu apaso se bi kafrache obi mfa de nko dwam no asatam de akofie wo mera ya nto ho bia enti anopai utie me dia lawyer Eunice say brabi kunu ye se o ba be kunu ye dia ene ye tie ni pa o ba be kunu ye dia men koyira kai hunu say o call 4th floor of Anna House 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters Shenonson nkrofue postcode dia me ba be bope na makoka party bi e wo Africa man mo 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters London N15 4NP hwe no amfa p ba ko anka ho London N15 4NP me ba cho se say ya me ne wo kasai ubetumi afre direct to the office na book appointment na ka kire o say me pa cho later na ana email na mo kana manya bi enti menya ne den ye be kire documents a wo de be ba eni ma wo de be ka ho na wo later na ba ne ya hwem eni na ye nso ya tintim enkrata so ne ya kire ba bi a wo de be ko eni na aye approved to you 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 na meka asisi ya say BWF solicitors are your preferred community lawyers about and how they any money nyina ebefa oba ye behwe mu ama na ne ye wo se ye di to no na ye di ato ye ntena ho emma obi mfa wo se kan enyo na nka lawyer Eunice Wadaroma. Yemfa latest news, Emra 18 and under 18, under 18. To Asumami.
Okay, see, in terms of your main topic, no, na you be doing in common afa, yeah, nkola and I say, yeah, children under the age of 18, share your immigrations in Brana, the share definition of akola yeah obia with the under 18 and I say less than 18. So what to from her, either a British citizen and I say, settled person. Into you say under police, say why will settled status, we will be our settled. Into say we national na we are settled status. Na if you are settled for far that is also something that you are allowed to do under your immigration in Ghana. And then, of course, the limited leave to remain into area over 2.5 minutes. Now, Professor Okoye application for Bano, the Omba join no, Chrome Hadia, and also acquire home amount. Into either say we are British, and I say Ukra settled status, and I say indefinitely to remain. And then also somebody who has limited leave to remain into 2.5 minutes. Now, Professor Profile Bar, there categories of people winning now, able to me, I application, ama, ombano, abejoino, ewo kromha. Into there's two different parts of your immigration in Ghana that deals with children application. First of all, we'll share paragraph 297 of the immigration rules now. Kafa obia ebia oye settled ewo kromha and answer oye British ewo kromha. Na officer okofa neba every amanone into Zakolano as much as possible no say Kola that child should be under the age of 18. In Zakolano so say okofa naba ezo to make sure say ebia na wofo menu etikrom ha and I say ebia na wofo no bako to krom ha and bako so ewo Ghana and they are otikrom ha no okofa awofo no ewo Ghana aba inti awofo ne akola no omo mienu ebe join sa settled person and na sa British citizen no ewo krom ha. And I say, the Vacona also from Hano, one need be other parents no, and answer I will follow. Into no, I was sole responsibility. Sole responsibility now, there be a come home no. We'll share your case laws now. It refers to that person and after that parent no, saying, say, or make it important decisions in a colonial life. In the business said, baby, a colonical school, no, I will follow a cassette, or no, and I make sure say a colonical school way, into say, or for Martin the Forest, Martin the Forest school, no, any no, Martin the Forest school in him said, now we'll follow to UK from Hano, or no, and make sure that the other one out when you say, or because our school. From time to time, no, I will follow a first school, no, a share thing and the banner. And I say, only say, a colano, ni papa, and I said, Mamma, or to Hano, which young school fees. And say, every time piano, now we follow send it to Cano, to school direct, and I say, almost the Bema, ni Papona, or Channel to pay. And see, our follow is very much involved in a colano education. And as a colano, you are crown for now. A doctor for no, and I say, clinic near war. Chronoso. Only my phone said, "Did you have a lana? Almost and Omutia medical bills, and I said, Omutia in Bionica." And I said, "I saw now a colano corner. Sir, I will follow to Chrome or no, and I want to sure that colano at least, or went to me, I quite sorry. It's me, I hear you are sorry now, when we used to. It doesn't have to be a church. The Nibacono also obi a ebi a ɔyɛ Muslim na ɔno nso ebetumi akyerɛ sɛ mosque na akwadaa no kɔ no of course ɔno na wɔn making sure sɛ akwadaa no obetumi akɔ mosque every Friday na obetumi esua Quran yie. Of course, it is about making some important decision no in regards to akwadaa no. Nti wontumi nka sɛ woma ne sika kɛkɛ to akwadaa no because akwadaa no sɛ onim dia sika no yɛbɛ use for, but sɛ wotumi ka sɛ ampa me na mehwɛ akwadaa no ɔkɔ school krampo na school no krampo nim me ɔmo nim sɛ me na mesua ne school fees. Once in a while mekɔ Ghana ɔmo nim me because mekɔsra akwadaa no ɛwɔ school anaasɛ mefrɛ school hɔnom na metumi ahwɛ sɛnea akwadaa no ɛyɛ wɔ school. Ɔmo ankasa krampo imele me report nti ɔmo yɛ report no for akwadaa no a na ɔmo de ama me anaasɛ ɔmo de asɛnde me email na metumi ehu sɛnea akwadaa no ɔyɛ. Anaasɛ hospital bills no krampo no me na metua adɔktafoɔ no ɔmo nim sɛ ɛka biara wɔ hɔ a ɛndeɛ me na metua. Asɔre kɔ anaasɛ ɔyɛ pepemi anaasɛ Muslim a saa nneɛma wei nyinaa no me na me make sure sɛ akwadaa no metumi ayɛ ama ɔno ehu sɛ ne maame ɛhwɛ no anaasɛ ne papa ɛna ɛhwɛ no. It's in regards to making those important decisions. Sɛ untu kwan ɛnkɔhwɛ wo ba within that period of time. So for instance, wabɛtena kurom ha unhyɛ da ɛnkɔ Ghana pɔtwen because ebi a wowɔ mba so wɔ ha a ɔrehwɛ wɔn anaasɛ for one reason or the other no wuntumi ɛnsan wɔkyi ɛnkɔ back to go and see akwadaa no a wogya no ne fie. Ɛba ne saa of course sɛ wowɔ saa contact with akwadaa no school anaasɛ wowɔ contact with asɔre no anaasɛ mosque anaasɛ clinic na akwadaa no saa kɔ na then of course ɔmo betumi provide with letters ɔmo betumi provide with evidence to say school fees receipts ne hospital bills ne nkeka ho no to show sɛ ampa ɔmo nim mo ɛna ɔmo nim sɛ wɔn ankasa na wɔhwɛ akwadaa no biribiara. Sɛ nipa kɔ na ɔhwɛ akwadaa no ɔka sɛ saa nipa no ɔntumi ɛnhwɛ wo ba na ɛnyɛ saa nipa no ɛna ɛhwɛ wo ba no it is as if nipa no ɛyɛ guardian nti saa guardian no ɔno no or making sure sɛ decisions na wɔbɛ make afa wo ba no ɛno ana ɔbɛdi so anaasɛ ɔno ana ɔbɛyɛ ɔboa kɛkɛ sɛnea wobɛtumi ahwɛ wo ba no nti sometimes sɛ yɛka sɛ saa nipa no na ɛhwɛ wo ba na nipa no ebi a akɔhu lawyer no atwerɛ affidavit ama no sɛ ɔno deɛ akwadaa no te ne nkyɛn kɛkɛ on a temporary basis because ebi a ne maame anaasɛ ne papa no ka kyerɛ ne sɛ ɔba aburokyi a ɔbɛba abɛfa ne ba no akɔ nti ɔno deɛ ɔhwɛ ama biribiara akɔ n'afɔ mu sɛnea akwadaa no nso akɔdɔre ne parents ɛwɔ ekuro no a ɔwɔ so no nti ɔno deɛ sika na ebi a ɔmaame anaasɛ ɔpapa de ba no nyɛma na ɔmaame anaasɛ ɔpapa no aka kyerɛ ne sɛ ɔnyɛ no ɛno ana ɔdi so ɛna ɛnyɛ biribi a of course waka sɛ akwadaa no yɛ ne di anaasɛ ɔyɛ responsible for saa akwadaa no nti ɔno ɛna ahwɛ akwadaa na ɛbɛsi saa mbere ɔka sɛ ɔmaame anaasɛ ɔpapa no ɔte aburokyi no ɔno na ɔmo make decisions no afa saa akwadaa no abɛsi saa mbere nti sɛ ɔmo traffic David na ɛyɛ saa nipa no ɛna ɛhwɛ sɛ ne maame anaasɛ ne papa ɛwɔ full responsibility for akwadaa no ebi a papa no ɔmo hu ne da anaasɛ maame na ɔte Ghana no ɔmo hu ne da nti ɔmo nim sɛ ɔpapa anaasɛ ɔmaame na ɔte kurom hanom no ɔmo na ɔmo ahwɛ akwadaa na bɛsi saa mbere nti sɛ ɔmaame sɛ ɔbɛfa ne ba n'akɔ a ɛndeɛ saa arrangement no na saa na ɛteɛ because yɛnim sɛ na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbɛfa ne ba no ɛkɔ sɛ ɔyɛ ne nkrataa na wɔtumi anya beebi a ɔpɛ sɛ ɔde ne ba no ɛbɛtena deɛ a ɛndeɛ saa na ɛbɛyɛ. Then of course you have to provide evidence of the fact that akwala no ɛyɛ wo ba ampa. Usually birth certificates no, so within 12 months of akwala no birth na almost the almost into na usually you can say and your DNA na DNA improve say ɛyɛ wo ba ampa. Of course, birth certificates no almost is not the only evidence that obviously are provided to show the relationship between one papa and as one woman. There are other evidence such as weighing book, because weighing book usually say your work your man is weighing book saying metro saying akolano developing and in the weighing book metro or papa din any akolani din any date of birth. Instead also making a proof of akolani relationship with me mommy and I say me papa. And I said ABR or baptismal certificate within the time now akolani ya womb or mommy din was so or papa din was so, and of course time now you be akolani bar as I said almost a bonus and also was to be if it was obviously around the time I hear who akolani dia obviously is and also it helps but so only find my way now because if you are check and you be on moving here now usually I can say your DNA na DNA no and to be said you back and pass so you share the other categories say obia for instance wetin aka say ono aka na ehwe ne ba no ebia o mama anase o papa no efrim into because we were streaming ono na wonya sa responsibility or the actual akonana everything same so it is idea and of course it is clear from the fact that we did that specific no aka ho to show that one kasa na basha akonai what was our sole responsibility efa akola no ho and to say o papa wo ho a ebia wo hwe na na se bi bisa no we free into since papa no free mu no of course someone that will take care of akola no bibia if you say episode then of course you can provide evidence from the time of papa and so mama free mu to show say ampa or mommy and answer of a kind of issue, my taking our responsibility no, of a colano, into making you provide the evidence from school, from GP, from GP, doctor for an clinic for my organ. And answer always me provide the evidence of a story for and answer most for to show say ampa. Of course, Mona, what taking our responsibility of a colano since me mommy and answer the papa so it's free no. Share your appendix FM so appendix FM is in regards to your family members application. If we say share appendix FM is to do with ABR, what to come how or limited leave to remain into or start 2.5 maybe. And answer your when you 5 years maybe into or limited leave to remain, but 5 years maybe. Now, for so far, or banaba. Of course, if you are eligible to make the application under the EU settlement scheme, because na akolano uba before the 31st of December 2020, over your application for the EU settlement scheme instead of appendix FM. So, then of course, over to me, application, under appendix FM to say, afena, wararu obia, odono, mawo, eba, say, and what 2.5. But at the moment, because akolano, ebia, for one reason or the other, no, ebia, so the akolano back from her, so we make an application, for akolani to join you here in the UK, you have to show that we now also responsibility for akolani. Even though we can say on my men and nation, the whole castle of my nation and you cannot show say one castle na washa akolana every time break. But if you are saying say be a mama no you said it and I say there's some medical issues in regards to mama no, unfortunately on to me and sharp cry because of medical issues now or one. And I say be a mama no job for banner. You see akolano on to me and cry into a journey akolano at what obi for and akolano. Into one hour take this role upon yourself, into one hour also responsibility for akolano. So it's a sad year. So what 2.5 hours waiting application no amasa akolano so other counter. Of course you have to show say you have so responsibility akolano so wuba ampa. Say awofo mmienu no omo te krom ha na omo mmienu no na ewo 2.5 maybe into omo mmienu te krom ha ansa no omo beba krom ha no na omo wo akola ewo fie into say sa awofo mmienu no so ewo krom ha na omo pese omo yi application ema sa akola no ebe ka omo nsa ewo krom ha dia. Then of course, I'm going to make this application for Akolano to come and join them here in the UK. It's important that as much as possible, so applications where there's also the maintenance requirements EUNICE and the accommodation requirements. And so to make sure that as much as possible, I am solely responsible for the child, and I say, and I have to come here, say, say, you will see me actually say, Akolani Yamba and Pat, na Yeshan also swap. You will see me every your pay slip and then your bank statement. Actually say, I'm Pat, your Juma, Sakolani Ba, you will see me, Ashano, and Pat, Yemano. And by your burden, UK amino so. You bet me actually UK amino because you age money, you bet me maintain it or bar. And of course, obey your biatina into and to say over Pacotina, Obiho and answer the visa. You were them over team, ABI, you were back or ever have. Say on also bar, no other join it, Palabas now, on also a room her. Say, then of course, application over to me, Amasa, Akolano, and Nasa, and Polano, Morgan, and also other counter, ever chroma. In terms of, for instance, in Kofua, almost settled status, and I say, almost British citizenship, and more better, almost applications, Emma, San Colano, ever join your Musa, ever chroma. And also in Kofua, Mukra 2.5 million. So over to me, actually, Home Office for no said there are compelling reasons, and I said factors that also consider in terms of Akolani application, because Akolano, Abia or Yarebi, and whether no from Kohona or Denijano, Omu and to me enter Akolani. Abani said, someone and I will share over. And see, after I will start our classes, open self of our eba, now at least watching me, I shall be because the area no a 100 pounds, and I'll hear will be so over to me, I shall be. And so, because of that compelling reason, or catch almost almost mobile at least almost far. In Katana and Mafala and the Senya and everything I can have. So sometimes almost share those compelling and compassionate factors. The fact that Abia Senya Colana we need to home. If I can't work with anyone, Abia Colana Campo Enya, but the fact that Ukwa Abia Ukogana now Kuhuna, we need it because Akolano Abia on school. Oh, but Master say on Uncle School. Over who not on a number baby. Tadia now, as or Shanona, at least will wire fine girl and as a fine boy. On Shantadia, into one Casano, will more Akolano, we need it. Into what I say, Akolano in some account because ubisa school for na school for ne say on bus school wo twa akola na we hu sa akola na life no baby e ko no enye right and all of these reasons mean say unsa no akofara no ne sabe kan wo ko ha. It's all of these things are things that can be compelling and compassionate factors. I always to me after I can say, okay, say sana ekena ni pakona woto oja kalano ontumi sha kalani ye na o papa nso anasa o mame na to hwe no omonso etima na sa onso entumi ensha kalano nso onihu a obesha kalana. Then as much as possible no so ultimate stress because of these factors una waka to say wo hwe ne kakra upese home office for no hu say obetumi ahwe no wo ye djuma enye bi bi say wo be ma akala no abaye akala am yuki aman no ebehwe wo be nya bi ama akala no so ada nti to say akala ne ba na afọ na wo ko cancel say council for no Emma or Diane Sana obetumi ahwe akala no nti one kata obetumi ahwe wo ba nti because of the air quality when you say and I say only happy with the way akala no ne life no air ko nti wo pese almost share letters na area school no e dey ama to show say akala no on time back school nti omo try pa say omo be ma sa akala no ababa school but bibi a mo be bia enyi wo to wa follow up a share say ya wo betumi abo akala no but bibia enko ye because bia ni papa na on ne se crampo no onya ne ho time on akata won own burden anasa on akata won nyama oye nti for one reason or the other no ontumi ensha akola ni ye nti wa make it sad decision is say obeta akola no ebeka wonsa nti they are also home office no can also look at those compelling and compassionate factors no in terms of akola no in order for them to say okay obetumi asha akola no dia and dia ye be ma ho kwan say akola no so abetumi abeka wonsa e wo krom ha because also under your section 55 no of the Borders and Citizenship and Immigration Act no home office no so e wo actually say as much as possible no the child's best interest is at heart nti e so mutumi share akola no ne needs inyama akola no hia say akola no eba krom ha na at least ne papa na so ne mama ebetumi ahwe ne dia and they will have to consider all of those factors and yet just the evidence and as much as possible no so they have to look at akola no best interest and the akola no young na uhunu say ya inyama ekono na brabo no enye ye dia then it is better say akola no obetumi are joining the parents ever from her. And so they are also bound by section 55 no to look at the child's best interest. Saying at least akola no so able to enya na wofo a omo betumi ahwe ni yeah into say or British citizenship and answer or settled status which is indefinite leave to remain. And answer or 2.5 maybe which is limited leave to remain. And now 5 years maybe. Now, opesa ode uba free amanone eba. Of course, a client ewo ho amount say obetumi ene sa uba no anase umba no abeka wonsa ewo krom ha. So ehuhia na say wo pe lawyer na at least lawyer no edu ho adwuma ema odia eno so sa no client wo ho. I know that a lot of people make these applications na anko ye na dia bala your house say oh me akasa na me ye yo na ye online nti me akasa na me ye but some with this nti a lawyer for acho bo me na ye ato because me pound cho me be se me ba e join me e wo krom ha of course say what this is all decision now say ye ato so ye betimi aye and also amount.
Yo, lawyer Eunice. Oh,
Pachine.
and to me, telephone line into one.
Pachine.
Miss Saningum. Oh, na hwɛ m'anim kakra asɛ wohwɛ baabi.
Sorry.
Ade, boy bɛn na take your attention wɔ hɔ yi na memɛkeka m'adwene. Sɛ magye akontanse kan. Ndi sɛ biribiara gye hiri a na matwe se kan no. Ɛkyerɛ sɛ me. Yo. Adiefo na no pay. Lawyer Eunice abobɔ ntɛm no bi so kama paa. Ɛnɛ wohwɛ sɛnea lawyer akyekyere aguma na wagye ne black and white a ɛnyɛ easy koraa ɛnyɛ easy nti mehwɛ baabi a wɔhwɛ na mede m'adwene akɔsi hɔ because mimi ti ha magye akontanse kan nti sɛ biribi ayɛ yia na kyerɛ sɛ matwe me sekan na kyerɛ sɛ mede ba anɔpa yi onyame ɛnhyira wo sɛ wama wo ho kwan ama lawyer Eunice de nkyerɛkyerɛ abereɛ mpanyinfoɔ sɛ akyea emuye Job sɛ dua yɛtwa so korɔ wɔ anidasoɔ enti anɔpa yi frɛ na fa wo nsɛm no nyinaa ɛbrɛ lawyer Eunice live on Rainbow Radio International so your Facebook no so ayɛ hyehyehyehyehye paa na lawyer ɛnyiyi wo nsɛm ano ɛma wo on 0208 133 4646 0208 133 4646 oba so live lawyer Eunice ene o ebedi nkomo na nia ubebisa bia no watimi yi ano ama pepepe hello me pacho me ma wachi ema wakwa aba
hello
me pacho me ma wachi ema wakwa aba me pacho ohene ya joso upeja woni no mu kakra mame a lawyer beti won kan yi pa na watimi yi wa no me pacho an se lawyer wote nenka
Pachine.
emo ohene ba kasane enko
Prophet just how boring because man tini.
osi sese ya EU no atwam no na okofa na mma no ba asetena ben ena ne mma no omubenya ono ne dia na okura ne bi ne yede be ma om ana se eno no ebeye law fofo ebeye policy fofo onu ya so asem ni nyina no
Okay.
me da asi
Now me kafa ye EU settlement scheme. Ye EU settlement scheme no scheme na government no dia to ho senior of course omni EU for ne discuss here in terms of withdrawal agreement ni say o ye EU ni na to come ha na at least betumi ama won kasa betumi asna from ha dia and there some senior bibi and of course we butia for so eka sa EU settlement scheme agreement na omone EU for no year say we butia ni from ha they are eligible to apply under the EU settlement scheme say we butia ni outside of the UK na only say butia ni no our relationship abia one oyere and matna before 31st December 2020 and now more back before 31st of December 2020 there and of course for over to me actually say your family member you see oyere oba o mama wo papa and one nana then of course over to me application no under the EU settlement scheme. EU settlement scheme ne ende that's so ho EA family permit no and almost are ended from the 30th of June into EU settlement scheme ne there that's so ho into person your application now over to me anymore.
Okay, so
lawyer say ni awowo no eni ede be ma na ma no Enti na man no make it 5 years.
Or indefinite, indefinite no ever ma akola we di under 21. So limited leave to remain na the same limited leave to remain no ever ma akola no. Into say join no work home first of all no family permit. Into say onya family permit 6 months no and now join no work home ha. Bema sa akola no the same 5 years limited leave to remain na the amount. And I say, indefinite, almost by my staff, the same indefinite now, one the amount ever from her. Into, of course, Sakolani bound by 6 months. Now, over room no or your application no biome for the EU settlement scheme. Women the same leave, and I said the same status now also. A Kolana Abia already over the age of 21 now, usually no. They will automatically say because when we be over 21, it's almost 5 years, just to show say almost me approval dependency on wo papa no. It's almost me approval that dependency on wo papa no be at the end they will give them 5 years. It's almost 5 years no swan normal actually star settle status and I say indefinitely to remain. But somewhere you're under 21 there, the same status now one and one on the bama.
Also, one thing also, I also want to use about anything when you use object, into that will be fast for I think so much. It's I don't know, but I don't maybe home. And now you got good things in the future.
Oh, yeah, send a family member now.
Oh, no, you must know.
Neyere. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
I think that, yeah, Neyere, you can remember.
And I'm on Timbo.
And yeah, Timbo,
definitely no. So almost me to show say almost Timbo, and I said they have the same address. Into so 5 years no so now me interest when they EU national no. What's now from her continuously for that 5 year period now. And they're very difficult to tell me the no ever now because and also sadly. Patchana will
me pacho enka me ba be kan sa yemre no ko atia ye papa me da ase na yem obi kwan na ono so mewuram enche mebobọ lawyer no ma no ebiem na me de ato endi sa wo ba no asem no ye ba ko mienu miensa me pacho ka ba ko na mienu na fakota lawyer e wo 4th floor of Anna House ana lawyer me boa
Pachani
ana pay we share with time na 32 minutes past 10 hey Nadia Asimbe to prophet wa ha number no 0208-133-4646 and as 0208-133-1134 kai hunu se enne eye mesomoda enti sisi eniema asasa enti e wose yitimi pia niema so ekonanim oba line no so amede obema lawyer na one atimi atwetwe enkomo kama pa ami twe me pen na me see number we enya adwuma lawyer EUNICE number ba ko no me pa cho ma enya enti wo de me twa we mu wo ya ma me sanka wa anapai lawyer EUNICE abe shirayen wa be kire yen wa be tinitini yen afa eniema bi e wo say ye huhu mesrao hyano nso fa ukosan no sana me na kan no sikosan no fa nyina abra ema lawyer EUNICE nko na emfre me I put to you no me sheda edim ho mra na sa the lawyer wa haidie ono ankasa na de atata no na nasum atenetene no wetimi ama no wo so mam opese okọ lawyer ho a address na eye simple kra opese okọ lawyer ho mesra o ba line no so a mefa na me de wo ama lawyer no wetimi abisa wa asem 0208 133 4646 and I say 0208 133 1134 agoyo obi abona no so ha yenhwe no de ba me ba cho me ma wachi e ma wakwa ba e ba iduma de yesu morning eja
Good morning.
Morning, oh.
Yeah, I'm about office from me. I did come back. I'm a come back of you. The Mafra, and like, so on. My family makes it water. I'm not a person who is there for me. I'm back. You want to be now, and I'm thinking, let me say, in this case, let me say, back to my team now, or the only application in the other. One for the anti, what the forms, they can all right here, but once they say, yeah, oh, and say, yeah, oh, but see our body on track, I look to me as apply. Now, can you say, oh, back to one for the engineer, I don't know, anything to put in there now. I'm thinking,
Okay. So in terms of, let's say, initial application for entry clearance, if you are visit visa application, one for dependence, if you are answer to say, dependence, and answer one color, chrome now, you know. And who say 1 year for declaration and answer one for application. No. Of course, what young no, they are going to look at whether you meet the requirements under the specific immigration rules. If there's a year application under 297 as a person who's got indefinite leave and as a person who's got settled status and as a year British. And as a year application under appendix FM because it was 2.5 million. And so either way, they will see whether you meet the requirements and as a Polano meets the requirements under either of the paragraphs and as a rule. Specified there, then of course, somebody in Kratano, every mark Akolano. If it doesn't really matter, say, you didn't put it there before, time now we will visit application. So if you see there, which me, a young Kratano, what church say, when I walk Akolani there, then of course you can make the application.
Okay. But the second question, no, what part to do? Now, Mrs. Cannot see that if you are not less responsibility to now the business. But on the same you say, or what is our 12 years? The same you say, you are still actually in your performance, so about me.
Now, what's this? I know, or him.
But the minister now now Ghana.
And I will talk of funny, but no, ever count who will have.
Or no, this is an estimate. This community, there is no person a word of one. But I think
okay, so what is a new film and I know pronoun to me and Jacolano.
Nabe, Nekununa film, ni sister non swear film. Nekununa film, na ni sister non swear film.
Okay. It's a sanity, then of course, over to me, I custody order to show say because of my film ninti Acolano, wona wosheno. And see if you have a custody order to show say wona woshe sa Acolani dia. You can also make an application to show to say Akolano a relative. Now we for no April. And because Akolano other relative you have the relevant custody order to make the application say Akolano so everything I join ever chrome her. Into a crime of say over to me a application no ama Akolano.
Oh, okay. And also the income threshold now
yeah, so making sure that over to me I'm maintaining Akolano. And yet to say 18,600 but at least over to me actually say income now we at least over to me as to income support rate no more demand Kolana or more chrome which is £66.90 a week and single parents so at least £74 10. I will form in India and they usually is over £117. And to say over to me actually so over to me after Kolana then of course over to me I'm a Kolana other counter. But you have to get a custody order to show say when I wash a Kolani is here because now we for free.
Okay. So that's the part.
Me bacho Saturdays ye juma na me kese obisa question ba ko a mienu miensa na de call office ho enti Saturday ye juma Saturday ye adwuma by appointment me pa cho the telephone number the telephone number no 0208 493 7340. Saturday ye adwuma brother we bad pa wo de agina so bisa 3 questions 0208 493 7340. One catch us Saturday ye adwuma we watie ye sand dada ya ba haide bia no Saturday ye boda wo sie ye adwuma ka ho kofre na buku Saturday. Hey, yes, a man for me develop a strategy. No more the question for ba eye nyame nhira. E ba cho me family last caller. Na me di dwumadi no aba awie captain 30 e was metimi call baby but aja BWF solicitors omo me nioma ni di nhwibom enti omo to me kwa ha na omo to me aba ha nso eye dan a metim me da asi me ba cho me ma wachi emo wa kwa ba menchi am good morning.
Yo, me jo so.
Atu lawyer 8 you.
Yo, we just me fact ya mo lawyer ni se no this ha no yo ha ni kina the fact. Family ti ja. You betu ha ni no anya afra no ai table kilo. Ama be in line in ko share afada ba ko ni ja ama asalo sene ma me no sini o ko wait more than until on so person to find one support of wait more than until ma me ni ja no munda no na no sini sini ko ya o yi na no no half na ba the thing is that after the 5 years in the industry so me ko ya na no also on the normal no crime cover system many years and many years and no man the yeah and the how they are presented yeah you know maybe I'm saying this here for me point after young indefinite for 5 years number means I don't know how I'm man problem and on
say Nebano who in the past 4 years now when you is it 5 years now person who say because on who are for land be issue okay in terms of the fact that who are for land of course now we are on car times now on to me we have that's fair enough but in terms of the fact that what in Kitangu with the school that
lawyer ose na wanya na adenti no ntimi nko yi sika sema na ticket na obetwa na na
afrana me ba hana me partner na won by disable ki ama ntimi na oba no ntimi na
okay
ni e be ma ntimi nko because you are the wood and after ba so na mpesa me fa di o hon ba onu so ni ma me na wa yire yes good.
Oh, okay. Lawyer, what you say? Ne yire na one no wo ne ba kuna owo Ghana no. Wono no obra ama ne de no ho aka nwura.
Okay.
Se okọ Kuwait se Kuwait no wa ba wo. Nyina se wonte ne nka wo hu no. Na akola na wagya no Ghana no. Ni na ohwe ne no se bi kafrache. Enyine ba na ijano edum nti maame no onhye da hu na di papa ena ne ba no nso wa bewo no wa ha no ono nso sebi wo ye disable enti ama one ne yere no oma ye tight aha nti no obi ntimi nko Africa no akohwe akola ba ko no na akola ba ko no nso no wo hunu kwan ye obefa so a ode ne beba ha ana anye sa
kidin person ni se mo ko ya any problem na because so responsibility in the law you need to start at the hospital
into of course when Sumia uncle who are Colano for whichever number of years as long as you can show say of course these are the reasons James went to me uncle who are Colano Owoba ewo krom ha akola no ewo disability say into of course omon to me enhye da ma obi enhwe akola no say nyom betumi akohwe akola no but say or free school no otua akola no school fees now he has that rapport with the school no betumi actual letter afa akola no aka say of course akola ne mama de ye say ne kada akola ne papa na ye ni ono no tua akola ne school fees ono na ohwe akola ne bibia ne report ne bibia akola ne hia bia no ono na ohwe so ema ne ye nti ye na ye ni say of course o papa no e na ye bibia ema akola no on be hu akola no but of course ye ne no e na di nkita ho e wo phone so nti ye nim no pa nti of course they will look at the evidence that obetimi they are presenting to show say when I was akola no fa ho tissue say because who need they will be an issue as long as you can show say of course when I was no they will look at the evidence as well.
That in fact back on person meet my child custody order at the show responsibility no man and warning you know the more branch and what plan and a bit more system in your training
your branch no after na year started into of course who per se o instructing and who betimi instructing and UK handle
ye betimi aboa o afri ha akogana because BWF solicitors ye ko babia ye nyanko ye pe ye babia onyame moye babia onyame abobia ye ko no we case uncle we case kra babia BWF solicitors yanko ye babia emma asase so ha apart from that babia ye ko ye wo UK itimi ko fa nipa free hefa waiting na de won ba kuruma ha ya ben papa ye wo UK ha ya mo medase onu ya dofo ena no pay adwuma no ayede papa na me se me family scholar when e say ba bia hi me ba cho me ma wachi e mo wakwa ba na wo ye lastminute.com ana enya hwije stay with them lawyer 8 you
madam staff or apply for it last month you took in the bio apply no or the look I do more year bibia I take or bibia or back to the for Ghana back but some all year no kaso ba baba share tourism attraction so the two in nation but soon people to make a challenge and demonstrate job by the year all over no we know sure we say we sika a year or end it me say 1 billion woman difference no make the decision now you refuse to let them buy no sure we say or end it 1 billion a month you know or say on charting of a show the case na so ba online ya le show na mi kan ho in check at that but so in some me so that
not every application na all ye
tourism attraction
tourism application me boa
that's why
tourism application
into now person who say amount not the total na ever found some about na say na question here then
me pacho there be entita amount or the total here who be kind of form say how much now or end a year also say or end 1 billion a year now yes ne bank statement now on the corner so no almost 600 million
okay
on the bank statement no now entry currency make a chance say one demonstrate the beer or bar doko moreover also no or your application or demonstrate here or chess or bob ha on you look or what say have now entry currency time o make decision but you will say earning 1 billion a month instead of say obeno or earning 1 billion a year no difference make sure say or earning 1 billion a month na one demonstrate the bio bodo for enu nti no refuse no ono so no one kan ka corporate na or church so no or church say or earning 1 billion a year from it no so no o mo bi say o earning say o some show me say or earning 1 billion a year but anti-current no o make decision no or show me say or earning 1 billion after tax a month into no where refuse no.
Okay, in terms of the refusal decision, I haven't seen it, but in terms of their own canon, if they are saying say when demonstrators say or back from her on sign a chair, it is more to do with the fact say Oba UK from her, then actually say Oba sign the chair ako back to Ghana, and I say Oba sign the chair ako back to the Chrome now or free. Almost person who say or a genuine visitor into. So we are genuine visitor, and you will be almost say, Sandy Power, we're back from Hada. So we're back from Hana at least, Debbie or Bebano, or find the cheap back the way, Yediaman or dear, and Yenini accent. Almost as who say, at least, when you'll be a Omoma and Kratana, almost say, a 2-year visa, over now more than 6 months. Within a given year. They are looking at a number of factors. Also, family, and also and because of commitments and answer Yamana over time with she back they want to know whether finding partner or bano or better the chair back and Fahu said Liverpool any 1 billion a year and answer or any 1 billion a day. As long as Liverpool bet to me at say Senya ne Jumane Essetiano, Obia into me and say Jumano Mano. Sister on one casa. Inti say all money visa na. Ono the urban holiday keke, Ebia Obesra, Obiseni Ewaha. Ono on to me ends na ha because the business ni here say ono obetna ehonom emi ono na ye director or who papers to show say because you are director of that business ni obi enu ho obetumi ahwe ne business nti so okọ na okọhwe ne business no so yi ebia oni employees nti obi enu business no ebia employee ba ko pe na owo na sa nipa no senya ne business no sisi na Mr. Nipa Bakono into mention the business no for a long period of time. It is more about or no share the fact that Oba sign the tree after back to the crew. And yet the candle do one per se and almost
Okay, because or check in idea, the chilling or checking a Jimo or a Daniel way if you were the Jimo in it.
All the evidence they can one.
The evidence being evidence, the beer coming, evidence, ne dining home because ne Jimo people. She said, the minister mistake na some yet there, maintaining.
Visit visas this year, I mean, almost town farmer, but so to make sure ye parents say, wo circumstances and I say, unyama uye wo fear no, to say, over to me, eja eho na one sandwich and baba. Internet sometimes a boy say, over who lawyer, who saying over to me, I and I know so it's very common for them to refuse this application. They can try again. Of course, so or your application in Vima, he can tackle the fact that ABR, the bank statement, nature say, on your way, that's the card one, a Nejumana or ya or this catch account into say, or who say, in the business documents, nature say, a Juma way na or ya na, or this cano, as soon account every month, they are. Then they shouldn't have any issue in terms of the income now on no. It is more to do with saying over to me actually said because of Nejuma now or or no kwana or yes I do manage obi enu ha over to me I yes I do man apart from or no. They have to show it. So other family members will fear you have to show and all of those other commitments now or one to show say because of the commitments in the family me should I say circumstances now or one on to me and but na krom hasa so or sign it now
Okay, then Pachame that's the farm.
Yenso yɛda wase onua nyame enhyira wɔn so saa onyame nhyira deɛ yɛmpo yɛsum yɛnsa mmienu ne yɛaka de atare yɛbo dwee babae yo onua dɔfoɔ ɛnɛ anɔpa yi ɛha ɛna mede wo ɛbɛsie wohwɛ wo time no a ɛyɛ 55 minutes past 10 ɛnɛ deɛ lawyer wapira me papapapapapa wode me awura baabi a yɛnwura ɛnso onyame adom air condition nti me ho adwodwo me kakra maamemfa wo nsi ha afi fa wonse mu etwato na pa telephone number address na baabi a yɛhwehwɛ wa yɛbɛhu fato obi bisa sɛ Saturday moba fato Sunday uba dia nkamachiru bibia Sunday die medika penyitania ba be brubru don mu ama nke bene hu sɛ me amani abre
yo it's a prophet I mean sure I'll say we are friends that time with yen so would see 50 beginning of the program no na make ho afa extended family members on my applications ABR for one reason or the other refuse the application no but at least the co appeal and winning appeal we know appeal no is of course decision now court no amano it's a home office need so but almost me in this so there are options available your hope is a home office no over make your mind up in terms of implementing those family applications and as a permit no saying and conformity to me a fresh application under EU settlement scheme no and so say there and there's the option of judicial review but your hope is that make the right decision now which means EU family permits no and of course or any other inquiries FR immigration and as a family and as any other issues and they're over to me or BW Solicitors 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road Nostro London and a postcode near N15 4NP into N15 4NP. The telephone number near 0208 493 7340.
Lawyer Eunice, when I said that catch will be so unfair, Nana, because Michelle I was serena. I said, when I said that catch will be so unfair. Me bacho, me ma watching, Emma Aquaba.
Major Prophet, we a quick one, Madam Fanana American or testing the years or Omun Chile or what the alkaline or no London and the loop because I will the same address and a bit me affecting in the future.
Ose nadam fona ose one ne yere enti embomunu ne yere no onuti outside landing ena ne yere no iti landing enti se ne yere no fena no woko ono so fe ne yere na no waba ba address ne de eni faako eno no obi za se ebetimi affect wo ana
manem bra behunye
ombra mehunu mu wahu
fa try
me paacho nkamia me yakasa ba na me fere wontia e ba cho lawyer se bra behu omo me ba cho sa wo address no emo nyame shira 4th floor of Anna House 214 to 218 High Road 760s London N15 4NP now the full stop I see hope from 0208 4937 340 nature say adwuma na e dia ba wiye anapai aha ana me do besi onya me nsira o emi a me di adwuma mu chia me ye fra me prophet Stanley Osebri osei odifo ba kopa o setimi di chia me nko a eno ano na bi nto aso lawyer say me pa cho wa wiye
pacha ani ya me nsira pa prophet
ye dia si ha ma me mbo telephone no ma nyesa enye ma nya de ma me mbo lawyer EUNICE telephone number we jara ne time na so jara na me de ma no lawyer EUNICE telephone number 075 3581 3910 hwe no wan kope mo say ye loto number nya dia obedi ɛyɛ 075 35 81 3910 na kyerɛ sɛ wakɔsi lawyer EUNICE so na waka wo nsɛm nyinaa kyerɛ no pɛpɛɛpɛ na biribi akɔ wano nyame yɛ adom a da sɛ nnɛ wobɛsa ate ne nka wobɛte lawyer EUNICE nka makra o babae ka ɛho ne sɛ ɛna nwummere odiifoɔ mɛyɛ asɔre enti baabi a wɔ biara no ma w'ani mmere na bra na me ne ho yɛnyɛ asɔre onyame ɛbɛhyira wo papaapa may deal with subject bi a mato ne din cancelling the evil link na ɛkyerɛ sɛ onyame ɛbɛpagya ne nsa kɛseɛ papapapapapapa advert yi bɔ wie na woankyɛ me nka a makra wo koraa mekɔ Prayer Temple International Ministry ɛna sɔma ase ne dwumadie yi yɛwɔ 709 Oakent Road SE15 1J bye bye.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.